All right, what's up, Wheelers?
Hey, what's up?
On this video, we're going to talk a little bit about King of Hammers. Getting asked a lot of questions about that trip, a lot of them from her. So we're going to go through some of those questions and show some footage of behind the scenes and some of the things that we did. A little bit different video than some of the stuff you've seen out there, but maybe it'll be entertaining for you. All right, guys, King of the Hammers.
Okay, I can't wait to hear if you think King of Hammers was worth it.
Worth
all that dance lessons.
Yeah, so if you guys don't follow us on Instagram, to get to go to King of Hammers, it was like a last second invite from Bubba at Exodus. I was like, I gotta go to King of Hammers. It was like a week away. She punished me.
No, it was no punishment.
It was no punishment. I loved every second of it. She signed us up for ballroom dance lessons, and
he's pretty good at cha-cha and the swing.
Cha-cha and the swing, whatever it took to go to King of the Hammers and get the Tundra Raptor mid-travel thingy, as she calls it. So,
okay, so what was your favorite part?
My favorite part? You're going to start off with that, huh? Okay. It might have been this. Right, that car we just watched was a bare frame a week ago. Running a 351 Windsor, pushing about 900 horse. It's crazy. King's out here helping them get it set up. It's just getting faster and faster and faster. It's a lot of fun to watch. This car getting ready to come through is the Gomes Brothers. You may have heard of them. Bubba sure has. It's fast as hell. Getting ready to make another pass in that King 4400 car. Thank you, Bubba. But back end was getting a little wild. They made some adjustments. Hope this four-wheeler stays out of the way. But we'll get a better shot of this coming. But holy shit, he's flying. 92 mile an hour in that pass. So yeah, shock tuning, watching the King guys work was absolutely amazing. We have King shocks on roosters, a double throwdown on it, but they're not in the same class as what the guys were running there. And to see the Gomes brothers running those things as hard as they were I think 93 mile an hour is what we saw.
Whoa.
But I've seen footage in the race. They must have re-geared or something because they were topped out when they were tuning. They were doing 130 mile an hour in the race in one section. So absolutely incredible.
That was your favorite part?
Maybe. I think it might have been this. What's up? Doing a little better than you were yesterday.
Yeah, you know.
Right now, Bubba?
Waiting to go through tech.
Again?
Contingency. So I'm not sure what it is, but yeah. Just
part of the game.
Plugging a race car driver.
This is what I make.
He gets a kid's meal. Foot-long kid's meal.
Smaller than the kids.
Yeah, the kids don't even ask. You kids get more than that.
Oh man. Fixing black.
I'm tired. Tired of eating out of food trucks, so we came to find some vegetables. Subway, and we're happy. All right. Race day. Been waiting on this a long time. Bubba, Sam, and I have got remote pits. One. Oh.
And main pit.
And main pit. Main pit, second pass. This looks cool, man. This is so freaking awesome. It's like rolling thunder. Bronco. Time to play.
Start running 400 volts on it. Wow.
Wow, this is impressive.
You got the swing arm to lock it in.
I wonder.
Oh, really?
I'm kidding you.
We're actually going to vlog all this. That's what I was hoping.
I'm just messing with you.
I usually ask for forgiveness.
Like the movie in Iron Man. He's like, no gang stuff. He's like, no, go ahead, throw it at the school.
Throw it up, throw it up. This is crazy.
If you're just tuning in and you're not even here watching us during the week, that everybody did such a great job about.
Wow, that was a lot of technology.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Did you have to work on it?
Thank God I did not.
Oh, good.
I don't think Todd told anybody what I did for a living. So, but it was
Nobody knew
pretty.
IT.
You're right. It was pretty impressive. It was all the same stuff that we sell and work on. But it was amazing to see them string that much technology together and have it the relays and the beams up on the mountain. The amount of bandwidth coming in. It was had to be a Herculean feat to get that done. So I was super impressed. Yeah, that was great. That was definitely one of my favorite parts.
Impressive.
Yep.
So, did you get to meet any cool people there?
I did. I got to meet some cool people there. Yeah.
Who's that?
Well, I think you might recognize them, but I think you're probably going to be disappointed because their dog wasn't there. Just got home from work today. I'm going to go in and see what Erin's doing. I think I'm going to see if she wants to go look at Jeeps. She's got a birthday coming up.
Stuck again. We attempted
What you doing?
backwards with our
Watching Brittney boss around Kevin,
straight just
you know,
Oh,
and tear up stepchild, of course.
more Lite Brite. Hey, Sam. Sam watching Jelly.
Yeah.
So what are you doing? You want to go look at Jeeps?
Yeah.
Freak out.
Hi, Erin. Sorry you aren't here for me to meet you in person. However, hopefully this video will suffice.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be great. Thank you so much. Good luck with the race.
We get that all the time. People are like, wow, y'all are just like you are in videos. Yeah.
Yeah, so they were super great, super nice. What you see is what you get on the videos. There's no posturing, anything like that. And they're getting ready for a race. They have zero support as far as a pit crew and things like that. And for Brittney to take the second to make that video for Erin,
That was nice.
that was pretty nice.
Brittney and Kevin are great people.
Yeah, and
But no jelly.
no jelly. But I doubt they watch this video because it's us, and I doubt they watch this video. But I think it's hilarious that Erin had the day she got her Jeep, she was watching Brittney teach Kevin how to drive and giving him a hard time. And we have that captured on footage, as you saw. And then to see Brittney make a quick little video saying hi to Erin made Erin's day. So that was pretty bad. So yeah, so that was definitely one of the highlights. Yeah.
Okay, so was that your favorite part?
I think there was something else that happened that I really liked.
What was?
Just can't remember what it was that I liked the most about the whole thing.
So do we still like Rooster and Jeeps?
Oh yeah, we still like Jeeps.
Okay. Well, I'm dying to see.
We do like Broncos a lot though. So check this out. I want you to meet Kurt LeDuc, the Baja 1000 champion that we got to ride with.
Probably talk a little bit about some of the fun stuff that you're going to be get to see today.
Okay, cool.
We're super excited. Can't wait.
All right. So I'm Kurt LeDuc. I've raced off-road for 30-something years, and got to be a part of this program. And let's go see what it'll do.
Yep, let's get in.
And then we go.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
2.7 twin turbo.
Shit.
V6. It's the Raptor version. If I said anything about the Warthog, it would be that.
Okay.
It's the Raptor version of this. How extreme do you want to drive it? The beauty of this is on the highway with the independent front suspension is the street drivability. Is cylinder, turbo, manual transmission. So it has that super low rock crawling transmission in it.
Right.
If that's what you're doing.
I like to go fast though, so.
Well, that's how I got a trophy one.
That's my kind of guy.
It wasn't from locking the hubs in, I can tell you that. Don't mean that in a bad way.
Right. No, absolutely.
I love it.
So yeah, I've won trophy truck championship, and I still race a trophy truck in my old age. I don't know why, because I'm 20 years old when I'm behind the wheel.
Exactly.
So as we get up to the sand hill up here, we will put it in sand mode.
Okay.
But again, you don't have to stop. This has a thing called turn assist. We'll demonstrate up here in the sand.
Oh, nice.
So what you just saw was
Demonstration.
technically, what do we call that?
Turn assist.
Turn assist, which is basically like turning brakes on a tractor.
Or dune buggy.
Or dune buggy. Yeah, it's like cutting brakes.
This is my new best friend.
Kurt LeDuc, off-road driver, Hall of Fame, Baja 1000 winner, and now Bronco demonstrator.
And rule flexor. That's what we love about him. I spent a shitload of money on my Jeep, and I'm not sure I can keep up with this thing. Damn it.
I don't think so.
Stop it. But there's the guy that built my Jeep, and he says I can't. All right. So that was the Ford Bronco. And as a Jeep guy, I was blown away by the thing. And yes, the bar was low, to be fair. I didn't expect that much out of it. I didn't expect for it to ride like it did. I didn't expect for it to be silent. Up to 60 mile an hour, 65, as fast as we took it through those whoop sections. It was smooth as glass. Now,
I could tell how smooth it was riding.
Yes, now
compared to your videos.
Yeah,
when you were in the Jeep.
I was giving Bubba a hard time. If you don't remember that, here's a little reminder. How fast are we going?
I don't know. 15?
15.
Bronco.
Doing 60.
We're in there beating the shit out of ourselves.
But seriously, from 45 to 100, the double throwdown on Rooster and Bubba's suspension works flawlessly. And I know that stock Bronco won't do that, but for what it was absolutely impressive. And I can't imagine what the Warthog is going to be like. Hopefully, we didn't get Kurt in too much trouble by talking about the Warthog a little bit. But very impressive vehicle. Very excited about it coming out, and I think it has a huge spot. Jeep is gonna have to up its game
in our garage.
In our garage.
So when are we ordering mine?
Well, depending on how quickly I get this edited, we may have already done it.
We'll get busy.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. A little bit weird, a little bit different video. This is not the type we're gonna consistently do. Hammers was amazing. It was a bucket list trip for me. It was worth dancing, and we're gonna get a Bronco. So stay tuned. Thanks.